Just about done getting gas. Like the usual, as you do. Yes. Time to get in the whip. Oh, I guess we gotta steal a car then. I know no one lives here. I'm strictly powering the house. Alright. Any excess power goes straight to everything land. Alright, let's head over to the Roblox, the city nuclear power plant. Another day on the job. I have to go all the way up the hill, all the way up the mountains, away from home. Luckily, I just got ranked. Oh, jeez, this thing really likes to drift for some odd reason. This is a highway after all. Alright, time to enter the plant, since I do work here. Hello, let me in. Hello, let me in. Hello, let me in. Thank you. Alright, time to park my truck. I'm it back into our spot. Just like so. I know I may be a jerk. May be terrible at parking, but don't blame me. Time to enter the nuclear power plant training facility. Oh. This is unlocked at rank 1. Rank 2. Ooh, we got some energy vehicles. Ooh. I guess we're only allowed in the permitted area. Notice, employee and authorized personnel only. Okay, so we are allowed in here. Hello? I'm here for a job interview here at the Roblox and Energy Nuclear Power Plant in Destroy a Cityville in Boomville. So, yeah, I'm here for that interview. Boris Johnson, thank you very much. So I just go upstairs a floor. Thank you very much. Time to get to the interchanging station. I'm gonna go ahead and change out. 2 seconds later. Alright, we're done with the changing station. You have it's here, you idiot. Meeting and presentation. Okay, so yeah. Boris, is it you? Is this you? Yeah, I just pulled up. So what do you want? You're here for the interview at the power plant, right? Yep, that's correct. Very correct. Okay, so what do you think that you're able to do here at the nuclear power plant? All we need you to do is keep this place safe. Make sure that nothing bad happens. Oh yeah, I'll make sure nothing bad happens to the nuclear power plant. I'm always good at that sort of thing. Okay, well, it looks like we can't hire you yet. Come back in 24 hours and we will review your papers. For now, just go ahead and go back home. And yeah, you'll be approved hopefully by tomorrow. Makes sense. Alright, let's go home now. I'm done with this place. Honestly, I like the plant thing here, but it's very bland. Guess we're gonna take the truck to the blue house. At least it's not too far from home, so a plant's not like 1,000 meters from home. Alright. Get in. Open sesame door. Thank you very much. Time to pull out. This is the exit. Alright. Yeah, there we go. Thank you very much, door. It's time to go home. Oh, what another beautiful morning. I just turned around because I was afraid I was going the wrong way, but obviously I'm going the right way. It's been 24 hours, so now it's time to get the interview done thing. See if we get approved or denied. Alright. I guess where we parked is now our parking spot forever. Guess we're gonna pull in. There we go. Get out. Alright, let's see what they say about my approval. Because they had 24 hours to do this, or I swore I was going to blow this place up. I threatened them to do that. Stupid yellow car. It's ugly, but I can't do anything about it. Oh yeah, hey, so you got denied? Oh, wait, denied or accepted? Accepted, just joking. You did not get denied. We do that a lot. So, if you would follow me, please, I will show you the changing room. Show you around the place. If you want to change, you do it in here. Obviously, it's private. You have your restroom if you need to use it. It's just your normal bathroom. Here you have your meeting and presentation area. Just some office working. And then more office working. Stuff like that. You don't really need to know. Up a flight of stairs. We do have a plant control room. It's a restricted area, so you are allowed in here once. Please don't touch anything as this controls the plant itself. And this leads work in progress, coming soon. Oh, button. What? Why did you just click that? I didn't know it would... Oh my goodness. Why did you do that? Everyone clicks that button. And we tell them not to click the button. Because clearly it breaks the systems. Now I gotta repair that again. Yeah, we're never gonna allow anyone in there again. Oh yeah, that's the plant itself. Or not the plant itself, it's the main building here. The real deal is that big box. Then you have your cooling tower and your power station. Here is where we get down to the nitty-gritty. This is where you have your... This is where you really have the business going on. So, if we enter the notice room, you will see that there's a huge flight of stairs. Normally, people blow their way into this place. Mainly offices and other things. Control panels, please don't touch those. We got our battery room here. You might not want to mess with those. Here we have your exit in case you need to leave. And here we just have your control panel stuff. You're never gonna activate any of this. Chemical systems building. Yeah, you're never operating any of this stuff. Reactor maintenance. Yep. We just have some stairs. Oh yeah, this is the reactor here. Please don't blow it up. I'm telling you, if you blow it up, I will kill you. This is the reactor. Please don't touch it. I don't trust you with the reactor there. You're never allowed in there. Just some stairs to get around the place if you're wondering where that went. Everyone destroys this plant, so this is the only one left. Hopefully, no one gets any ideas for some things. Yep, just some stuff, I guess. I don't know if I'm doing anything, taking you. Oh. That's why they gave me this power for a reason. Whatever, it's fine. Is your reactor maintenance there? But yeah, that's reactor maintenance. You're not ever going in there. Don't even touch those doors. You're allowed in the switchgear room. Yes, you are allowed in here. Yes, this is where you'll be controlling the most out of your day. If you'll come with me over here to Sector 1 of the nuclear power plant. like your second sector. Here you have your compound building, which is where you have your nuclear compound storage and things. Please don't touch any of this either. You're never allowed in here either. Just remember that that's Sector 1. Up here is Sector 2. So the nitty gritty of everything. And here you have your reactor access. So if you go in here, you die. You have your reactor access in here. For some reason, they leave this door open. I think we just close it. I don't know. Yeah, you're going to be in the, yeah, you're not going to be in here. No clip. I feel like you're going to be... Where is the control? But yeah, here's where you're going to be spending the majority of your time. Don't even worry about the... Yeah, don't go into reactor maintenance. You're going to be in here 24/7. This is the control log workroom. You're going to be in here. You're going to have access to the control rods down there. If you do anything to this nuclear power plant, I will kill you, so just remember that. Yeah, this is chaos powered, so if you would just sit down right here, control the plant things, I will be back to check on you, stupid rookie. Sector 1, access granted. Self-destruct protocol. Do you wish to proceed? No, I do not wish to proceed. Proceeding. Self-destruct mode activated. Self-destructing in next 2 years, 65 days, 128 months, 256 hours, 512 minutes, and 1,024 seconds, and 2,048 milliseconds, and 4,096 milliseconds. And counting. What did you just do? It said, activate self-destruct system. Do you wish to proceed? And I said, no, I would not like to proceed, but it forced me to proceed anyways. Well, yeah, this place is screwed now. Yeah, we better run. We gotta get out of here. We're stuck. We're stuck in the reactor area. Now we're in the core of the nitty-gritty. Time, Meltdown. For precise dismantling. Don't do it. Destroy self-destruct system. This is not right. Good. Yes, just another day working at the job at Bloxburger. And it looks like our menu is going off. What's happening? Bop, bop, bop. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Robloxian government. At approximately 12:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Robloxian City nuclear power plant has gone under meltdown mode, meaning an explosion at Reactor 1 has been imminent. If you are within the explosion, leave. If you are in the following areas: Brick City, Robloxian City, any place in Robloxian County, Bilderman County, Club County, Northwestern Roblox County, Southeastern Brick County, Northwestern Brick County, Southeastern Liberty County, Northwestern Liberty County, Southeastern Liberty County, Northwestern Liberty City, Southeastern Los Santos, and other cities nearby. If you are anywhere within a 1,256,528 512,256,128 mile, meter, or any measurements of length miles from the power plant, you must move outwards. Kitty Man and other people will be coming to evacuate those who failed to evacuate. Evacuate now. Repeating. Evacuate now. When evacuating, bring all the essential supplies, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery power or hand crank radio with extra batteries. Evacuate now. Repeating. Evacuate now. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. We gotta leave. Get drive my station wagon over to the airport. Also, the police force and other forces will be evacuating citizens who failed to evacuate. Then if they can't evacuate you, the everything Canadian forces and Sealy forces will evacuate you. Oh, jeez. This is not good. The airport's down here, so we're just gonna drive. This city's gone into complete anarchy. Oh, jeez, I can't even drive hardly. Okay, drive across the bridge, make it to the airport. This thing drives like it's this thing drives like a drift machine. It doesn't want to drive correctly. Alright. Can't believe a grown adult would sing a song like that, man. Can't believe a grown adult would sing a song for kids, dude. And yes, I am throwing Granny's House song under the bus here. That song is, by the Toy Heroes, now known as the Star Squad, which is a stupid name. I like the Toy Heroes better, but whatever. They change their names every now and then, and I'm okay with that. But honestly, fucking throw them under the damn bus, man. Oh yeah, turn off this Bluetooth crap. We don't need this. We're evacuating. We're busy evacuating. We can't be playing controversial crap like that. We have to evacuate. Okay, I think this parking is good enough. Do you guys think this parking is good enough? Yeah, I think this parking is good enough. This airport isn't as packed as I thought it would be. I guess everyone has their own private jet nowadays. I need to evacuate now. No, I don't care. Blocks, air. Oh, another hour! Robloxian Airlines. Alright, thank you. Okay, I'll be heading out to my aircraft now. I gotta go. It's an inconvenience that those are stairs. But, no. I don't need one. I don't care. I don't need one. I gotta go. Just had to do it. But yeah, obviously we gotta throw the Star Squad under the bus. Okay, well, can my phone shut up at least? Jeez. Nope, don't care. Gotta go. There's a plane right here. Okay, we just need to get on it somehow. No clip. Alright, we're just gonna no clip through. It's fine. Yay, we're on the plane. Okay, we just need to get on the plane. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Uh-oh. I blew up the airport. The airport just got exploded. Yeah, saw that. Jesus saw that. He saw the huge explosion like 9/11 was about to be recreated. But bits of plane and air, the plane is destroyed, dude, obviously. But if you look at them, yeah, we're just gonna get on the plane like this. 2. I just want to ensure I get on there professionally without the use of help. We should be arriving in Brookhaven really shortly. All passengers brace for a rough landing as we are about to land in Brookhaven. It looks like we're experiencing some turbulence down here. If you would please ensure, put your seatbelts on and stay safe. Could be an earthquake, could be something, who knows. Alright passengers, we have successfully landed in Brookhaven. If you would all please end up getting off the plane because we are done with the flight. If you would all debark from the plane, one by one. Avoid the fire, please. We made it. We made it. We got out of there, dude. Departing flight. We did it. We really made it. We made it to Brookhaven. Alright, then I guess we're gonna grab our ride. That ride being a snowmobile. I guess we're gonna get our house. This house really isn't that nice. Isn't half bad. It really isn't half bad. Let's go in. There we go. Let's turn on the TV. Let's put on the news. Breaking news. Okay. Robloxians over in Boomtown and Boom City or anywhere in Boomland were urged to evacuate due to a nuclear power plant explosion from an idiot named Boris Johnson. Boris Johnson, if you're in Brookhaven, you best leave, or we will shoot you in the face. We will find your house, we will unlock it, we will invade you, and we will kill you. Okay. Anyone look out for Boris Johnson, please. I'm Boris. Boris, are you here? Can you hear me on the BN Network channel? Hey. Sir, said one new user from House 24. Let me say who the heck that is. Elderly bacon. Oh, boy, I don't remember who you're talking about, but I ain't gonna judge you. Doom. Hello? Sir, are you Boris Johnson? No, get off my damn lawn, man. Get off my lawn. I see you're clearly wearing what Boris wears. Okay, I trust you. Alright, leave. Jeez. We're watching you. Alright, whatever. That wasn't him. Okay. Just stay away from that door so you can see it. Alright. We've confirmed that Boris is not here. But if you are here, and you tricked me for that elderly person, then Boris, you're screwed, because I am not letting you slide. Not letting that slide no matter what. You are dead. Excluded. You got a red notice, man. You better get out of here. But anyways, nuclear power plants across the world have been blowing up due to malfunctions in the system. We're currently looking in how this is possible and how this is happening, but we are sure it is a malfunction in the system. So, yeah. Don't mind me. Yeah. I heard elevator noises. Doom. Hello? Open up. Bacon outfit. Oh, hey. My name is George. What you need? I'm the old man's son there. If you're wondering, this is my house, so you please leave. Okay, George. Bye-bye. Bye. He's walking like a Boris. I guess he is dumb like a Boris. Alright, well, I guess that concludes another message. Jeez. You know, if you don't answer, we're gonna shoot you. Oh no, I think they know it's me. Yeah, we know it's you. You might want to come out now. Honestly, you know what? Light this house up. If you don't come out, this is what happens. I can barely see. Come out, Boris. We know you're in here. Look, I don't want any trouble, okay? Then come out of that dang house, and we won't. Okay, I'll come out. There you are, Boris. We've been looking for you. I'm sorry, I tried to hide. Didn't guys. Will you come in with us, Boris? You learned your lesson that time. You're never getting a house again. No, please don't drag me. Crown Point, no. My house, no. Or am I being taken to our new facility, little guy? No, not the facility. No, not the facility. The dingy hospital. Yep, hospital facility. The thing you guys in hiding. Yeah, all we need you to do is climb up this ladder, and you're good. Just climb up the ladder and jump into the crate of their thing. Now delete the ladder, take it out, and bam, you're in our new base. This is a little creepy. Well, it's meant to be hidden, but a lot of people have found it, so it's extra. It's an extra base, you know? There's gotta be some secrets. What the what? Why am I in an A320? Why is it... Are we in Greater Rockford?
$1,000, $500, $400, $300, minimum $200, $100, $70, $60, $50, $40, $30, $20, $10, retard, retard,
things like comets and asteroids that are circling in an orbit that takes them out to Jupiter and back to the sun again. Well, do you remember 1994, summer of 1994, July, when 21
1000. 500, 400, 300, minimum 200. 100, 70, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, retard.
Why did my plane just called me a retard? Obviously, I know what it means, but there goes the plane. And it's gone. Oh, I don't feel so good. Oh no, I feel like I'm at top.
One of the things that I think I probably put some of this in my slideshow is
Now all of a sudden I'm cleaning up printer paper. All of a sudden. Is this a dream or is this real? Oh, don't hold that. I guess we're doing this now. $1 is 10,000 Robux. $100 is 30. What about your Game Pass stuff? I bet it can't take that stuff away. Free pick. I'm actually having fun. I need $1,000.
Impacts, volcanoes, I think the sun needs to be included. The Carrington event of 1857, Rob's going to look that up for us. But we now know that there have been events. What was there an event you said? Standing on the canyon, it's right there. It was the most amazing storm recorded in history, peaking on the 1st and 2nd of September 1859 during solar cycle 10. It created strong auroral displays. Now, if that would happen now, I mean, it could really put down the electric grid. That would take a year or a couple of years, perhaps even to restore. Recorded and peaking on 1st of 1859 solar cycle 10 and created an auroral display that were reported globally and caused sparking and even fires in devastations of geomagnetic
Oh yeah.